Hey guys, my name is Christine Animal. I'm a nutrition doctor and I'm also a herbal doctor. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make pineapple herbal tea, the kind of tea that you're going to use in case you have a bit of cough and flu like me. So instead of pumping yourself with a lot of antibiotics, a lot of medications, just learn how to use these simple things. In case you have recurrent infections, UTIs, PIDs, yeast infections, candida, this tea is going to help you. If you suffer high blood pressure, it's going to help you. If your immunity is low, it's going to boost your immunity. If you're weak, if you have arthritis, if you have gout, it's going to help you. If you have bloating, indigestion, constipation, this is going to help you. For ladies, you have fibroids, you have cysts, you're trying to conceive, irregular periods, this is going to help you. It's a kind of tea that heals almost all diseases. So let's learn how to make this tea. So what do you need? The first thing you need is a ripe pineapple, very ripe. You need the whole pineapple, even its head. You need the skin, you need the flesh. So wash it well. After washing well, chop into small tiny pieces that can be blended. Put in a blender, add like a liter of water, blend. After blending, don't sieve. Get a big saucepan, pour everything there. Then add herbs. Remember we said it's a pineapple herbal tea. Now pay attention to the herbs you add. You add cloves, you add cinnamon, you add turmeric, you add ginger, fresh ginger, you add fresh garlic, you add cayenne pepper, you add sour soup. Sour soup is very, very good for treating both viral infections and bacterial infections. Even people who have cancer have testified to using sour soup and it's helping them. Add dandelion. Dandelion is very good, especially if you want to lose weight, but also cleanses the liver, the kidney. Add guava leaves, especially if you want to lose weight as well. Add green tea, add black seeds. Now in a big saucepan, add the pineapple and all the herbs and add some more water to cover everything. Now put everything on fire. You can even add lemongrass chisubi and let the things boil. When it starts to boil, reduce the heat, cover, and let the things boil. Let the aroma fill the whole space. The aroma alone is healing. After like 30 minutes to an hour, strain and put in your flask. Throughout the course of the day, drink this to cleanse you, to heal you. It even helps boost your mood. So if you want the herbs to add to your pineapple, call me on +256 777 328836. I wish you all healing in the name of Jesus. Ciao from here.